Over the Speaker's election row, Maharashtra governor has told the Chief Minister that far-reaching amendments appear unconstitutional and illegal, and there's a need to legally vet them. Mirror now has exclusive letter of the governor written to the state government, which has denied permission to conduct the Speaker's election. Because remember, the Aghadi government wanted to elect a Speaker in the Assembly this session via a voice vote rather than secret ballot. But the governor had rejected this request. In fact, the governor also goes on to say that he is pained by the threatening tone of the Chief Minister's letter.
As you pointed out, some of the important points in the letter, he says that prima facie it appears that the provisions that have been made in order to pass the bills and etc. Seems to be illegal and unconstitutional. Now he has also threatened the government as well in that letter, stating that anything which is done unconstitutional will be dealt constitutionally. So this is the major point out there, and definitely this was the only reason that the MVA government, which was in a position to take speaker election anyhow without the approval from the governor, decided to not to do or not to conduct the election yesterday. Remember, all the MVA leaders were very much positive, and in fact we had their comments regarding this, that anyhow we will get the election done in this assembly session. Now this is the letter bomb from the governor, and this is the only reason wherein the MVA government took its steps back and decided to not to conduct the elections. Remember the last line which reads that I am very much pained and dismayed by the changes made in the assembly and the rules of that have been included in the provisions. So definitely this is the letter war that was running between MVA government and the Maharashtra governor Bhagat Singh Koshari, and somewhere this is this fight between the tussle between the governor and the MVA government. The governor seems to be winning the race out here.